Namaste and hello everyone. So guys, new week is starting from tomorrow and behalf of this, today we will see something else. First we will check have an energy check. We'll see how will be the energy of all of you this week. Later on we will see your guidance from tarot and then we will see guidance from angels. So let's start. So here's the first card, all tied up. So some of you, I'm clearly seeing, you may feel that you're tied up with something, a particular thing, or with each and everything. Overall, your life has tied you up. So you may feel, you may come in this energy because of too much hectic work or housework or whatever it is. So please take care of your health. Man holding a coin. So I do see some new beginning with respect to your career, finances starting, and man holding a coin may be some man may offer you something, or you may receive call from that particular HR who is a man, mostly I see, or someone who is in this masculine energy. Contract. So maybe you are signing a contract, or if any of your court case or something was going on, maybe that overall result will be declared, or something related to contract, legal law is happening. You may get confused, you may not understand what to do, what not to do, what decision to make, whatever it is, because of too many options, or some two options or something, like there are two options for you and you're confused. Now let's see via tarot what it says. How will be your next week? Beautiful card. Ace of coins. Again, a new beginning, and also the energy card also said a man holding a coin. So beautiful card. So a new beginning with respect to your career, your finance, initial wish fulfillment, your manifestation may come into fruition. You may see, early signs about it, related to it. And this offer also seems to be very, positive one. As you can see, the sunlight and all greenery, those flowers all around, so obviously a very good offer for you guys. Whatever is gone is now gone. Please don't keep on, remembering that. Please don't keep on, just telling about it to everyone, like I would have done this person would have done this, all other people would have done this, and this wouldn't have happened or something. Instead of that, please focus on what you have currently, guys, because what I feel with this card is maybe you're trying to explain, convince, or put your point, like what you're trying to say, and people who are listening to it are not even in that energy to understand. Let it go. When the right time will come, they will understand that what mistake they made. So for now, please focus on what you have. Beautiful card again. Ace of Cups. So some emotional offer that I see coming towards you, and this offer can be in any area of life, so don't be very specific. And but this offer will give you a sort of emotional satisfaction, and you will, get all sort of new ideas. You will become very creative, or you have to become little creative. This is what I see with this card. So see as it resonates. You need to balance your emotions, guys. This is what I would say. Please balance your emotions and be compassionate at the same time. You shouldn't be over emotional, you shouldn't be over practical, you shouldn't be over logical. You should understand where a particular thing is needed more, right? So accordingly, for that, only your emotions will help. If your emotions are well balanced, you can, act accordingly and accurately. This is what I would say. And at the same time, be compassionate, how much ever possible. Give your love to everyone. Yes, not everyone, as in, because we cannot share our love with each and everyone, but at least you can be humble. Like, it's in our hand, like how much to react with other people and all, right? You are the magician of your life, guys, and you have those all tools, each and everything that you can manifest the life you desire, you wish to have. So just little bit of concentration is, getting less. This is what I see. Like somewhere you're not that focused. Your focus is not, that firm. So you need to focus. This is what I see with this candle present in this picture, because candle also denotes focus, right? So remember that you are the magician of your life, and please do not, what I would say, please do not think that you are less, or you cannot do this, you cannot do that. This is what I would say with this card. Okay, so as the energy card said, indecision, and here the Seven of Cups. A lot of options I see coming towards you. Now, this can be again in any area of life, but with this card, I would like to give you a warning that you may feel all options are absolutely good, excellent, which one to choose. But let me tell you one thing, from above, from a surface, everything is looking very good. But if you go within them, if you go deep down to explore it, you will understand each and everything that you're seeing as excellent and good is not as. So be very careful about it. Instead of getting confused, I would say that try to explore it. So some give and take with respect to money I see over here, and also I would say with this card that please be quite equal with each and everyone when you're spending on someone or so. Also this card denotes about charity work. Do some charity work, and charity work doesn't always comes with money. You can offer your clothes that you're not using, or your family members clothes, or you can offer your help to someone. And guys, with respect to clothes or other usable items, I would like to say, if you're donating that, please make sure they are in a good condition. Please do not donate some torn clothes or very old clothes which are looking very shabby, which have turned black, the color is not at all there. Please do not donate such clothes. This is what I will say. And also some items that you're not using, but they can be used, they are in a good condition. Please make sure that they are not like, if once used, and it will be like as equal to as throwing it. Please make sure about it, otherwise your donation won't, be mattered, won't be valued. It is of zero value then, if you're just donating it for the sake of just removing the items, clothes, or whatever things you want to remove. Imbalance with respect to finances, so please take care of it. Or you're not able to manage your personal life, your love life, or your career life, professional life, so you need to take care of it. Also with this card, I would say that if this is imbalance with respect to money in your case, then please make sure that you're not spending money where it is not needed. Please be particular about it. You can compromise a bit, guys, wherever it is necessary, only there please spend your money. This is what I would say. New thoughts, new ideas, some new offer that may come towards you online, or you may get a job that includes online work. This is what I say. And also, this card says about mental restlessness. So, please take care of your mental health. This may happen because of Two of Coins. So, please make sure that you're calm and you're taking action. You're stuck in your own negative thoughts, perception, so please come out of it. You can come out of it. You have tied this, can you see this lady who is standing here? Uh, she has tied the tape around her eyes, if you can see it clearly, guys. She has That tape is tied around her eyes, and there is sunlight that has fallen on that overall where she's trying to see. So there is option to come out, there is a solution to come out, only you're not able to see. This sunlight is nothing but that ray of hope. So please see that ray of hope. you will understand each and everything, and you can come out of this situation. Again, two of swords that says indecision, confused what to do, what not to do. You're not even, you know, tapping into your intuition. Maybe you're ignoring your intuition. Your intuition is telling you something, you're not listening to it. Maybe you need to work on your third eye chakra. You can chant om word for the same. It will help you to take better decisions in life. This is what I see. Beautiful card, the Sun card, very positive card. Clarity, truth, victory, happiness, new beginning, and vitality. So, yes, for some of you, I do see you are coming in this energy, or something may happen with you that will bring you in this energy. Also, there are kids in this overall, you know, picture. So this may also denote inner child healing, or your inner child will heal, or it's a message for you to please keep your inner child all alive. It's all necessary in your overall life always. So guys, now let's see what angels wishes to tell us. Let's see. Okay, so here's the card. Okay, so the card is of Archangel Uriel, and guys, with this overall pick red color, you can see this. So, guys, you can call Archangel Uriel for healing your chakras, especially your root chakra. This is what I would say with this card. Well, Archangel Uriel is also will also help you in healing your uh, third eye chakra. I say third eye chakra because looking at overall, you know, the picture, actually, yes, you can call to heal all of your chakras. This is what I would say. Your sacral chakra, especially, that also. But here with the picture, with the signs that this archangel is showing, I said about third eye chakra. So please take as it resonates to you. If you know a lot about angels and archangels, this is what I would say. So this was the guidance about the related to new week that's starting from tomorrow. Thank you.